Hi guys, today we will learn about how you can upload a video to your Google Drive. Do you see these little squares in the corner? When you click on it, that's a Google Apps, and that's exactly where you can find your drive. You can click on the drive. So what exactly is a drive? The drive is your storage on the internet. So if you log into your email, you can access your drive, or you can actually download the drive as an app on your phone and you can access the Google Drive like that as well. So these are your documents that you want to be with you wherever you have access to the internet. So now we're going to click on the drive and I will upload a file to my drive. It is absolutely it's pretty much like your computers. If I click on my drive right now, it's empty. There is nothing in it. Similarly, items that are shared with me are under shared with me. Then I have recent item, I have starred items, I have trash where I put my deleted items. So this is exactly how I can access my stuff. So now to upload an item, I'm going to click on new. And then I will click on File Upload. I can go to the location from where I want to bring the file into my local, into my Google Drive. I can choose the file. It could be an Excel workbook. It could be an Microsoft Office document. Whatever it is a picture, a video, whatever it is. And I can simply click Open. And then it will show me the progress over here in the bottom right corner, and the file is available right here. If you want to get rid of a file or remove a file, all you need to do is right click on the file and then you can choose remove. To better organize your content, you can actually create folders. So if I click new and choose folder, it asks me what would you like to call your folder. I'm going to call this one, let's say grades, and then I'll click create. So now it creates a folder called grades. Now I will go to the grades folder and I can now either create a new folder, which will be a subfolder, or I could download the contents of entire folder, or I could open it with apps. I have a lot of options, or I can change its color. Right now it's gray. I can change it to a different color. So you can use a lot of these indicators. Similarly, when I click new and upload a file, the file is currently available under the grades because I clicked on the grades. I'm sitting in the grades. So all the files that I will bring over will automatically come under grades. If I want to put the files outside of the grades, I can just simply click on my drive. And now anything I will upload next will just directly come here. Let me show you. So as you can see over here that it is not inside the grades folder, it's in the outer level. It's in the same level as the folder itself, not inside the folder. Similarly, I can right click and I can remove. I can right click on a folder and I can remove the folder and it will be deleted along with all its contents. I hope in this tutorial you learn how to create folders in your Google Drive, how to upload a file, how to remove a file. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to learn about any particular thing about Google Drives or anything in general related to ID. Let me know in the comment section below. Till the next video, take care. Bye-bye.